If you're an aspiring speaker, stop fantasizing about and fetishizing TED and TED Talks. Yes, there was a time back when it started in the 80s and 90s when you were invited to give a TED Talk. You were there in the same room with a few hundred people, and guess what? They were all rich, successful, interesting, accomplished people. People the heads of every kind of industry, publishing, media, technology, they were all there. And careers could be made. Well, guess what? Now the audience for TED is the world, which sounds great, but it's the online world, which I have right now, and you have. You can speak to the world right now. Look, if you get invited to give a TED Talk, by all means, give it. It's a great organization. It's a wonderful organization, but you don't need TED in order to access the world. What you need is the willingness to hit record and the willingness and ability to put together interesting ideas coming out of your mouth. If you don't have interesting ideas coming out of your mouth, it won't matter if you get invited to TED. You'll still have a couple hundred views and that's it. But if you have great ideas, interesting ideas that are useful to people, memorable, ideally maybe even a little entertaining, then you can reach millions of people. You can reach more people than 99% of TED Talks without leaving home. Record a video of yourself. Give your own TED Talk to the world right now. Stop waiting at the mailbox for that invitation from TED. Instead, invite yourself to speak to the world today.